Welcome to this tutorial on creating custom graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro, your go-to software for video editing and creative projects. Today, we'll explore the exciting world of custom graphics to enhance your videos and make them truly stand out. Let's dive in. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Ensure your project settings match the specifications of your video. Once you're set up, import your video footage into the project. Navigate to the Graphics workspace. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Graphics tab to access the essential tools for creating stunning visuals. Create a new graphic layer. In the Graphics workspace, click on the New Layer button. Choose the type of graphic you want to create, whether it's text, shapes, or logos. Customize your graphic. Select your graphic layer and head to the Essential Graphics panel. Here, you can fine-tune the appearance of your graphic, adjust the font, color, size, and other parameters to match your video's style. Add motion to your graphic. Make your graphics dynamic by adding keyframes to create animations. You can animate position, scale, opacity, and more. Simply set keyframes at different points in time to bring your graphic to life. Use the text tool for dynamic titles. Premiere Pro offers powerful text editing tools. Experiment with different fonts, styles, and animations to make your titles visually engaging. Don't forget to consider readability, a crucial aspect of effective text graphics. Export your masterpiece. Once you're satisfied with your custom graphics, it's time to export your video. Head to the File menu, select the Export, and choose the appropriate settings for your project. And there you have it! With Adobe Premiere Pro's powerful tools, you can create custom graphics that elevate your videos to the next level. Experiment, be creative, and let your imagination run wild. Happy editing!